Welcome back to Gangster Turn Junker, guys. And y'all know how this go, man. Always positive, always humble, always acknowledging what the Most High is doing for us. And getting to it, baby. So y'all see it, man. Today's gonna be battery day. Battery day. Battery day. Man, we got so many batteries, man. It don't even make sense, man. You hear me? We got so many batteries, it don't even make sense. So what we gonna do? We got a ton of batteries, and boom, already another aluminum day. Yes, sir. We got tires. We got to get out of here. We got them on the way. They coming. But man, we got batteries everywhere, man. So yeah, y'all see Big Woo out here getting it in, man. Yes, sir. But yeah, man. So we gotta, like I said, get on it, knock out these wheels, and I'm also gonna show you guys the process of basically how to clean one of these aluminum wheels, man. So y'all tune in. It's gonna be a good one. Let's get it. Peace. What's going on, guys? What's going on, man? So listen, man. So when you're dealing with these scrap yards, they're gonna give you two prices, right? They're gonna ask you, are you bringing the aluminum clean? Now, when they say, are you bringing the aluminum clean, that means you gotta take off the weights. Show them, cuz, right here. So you got weights. So these weights are put on the wheels to balance the wheel when they put them on your car, and you got to take off the valve stems. Yes, sir. Now they're gonna give you another price. They're gonna say, are they dirty? So that means the tire could still be on it, or even if you take the tire off and you leave the weights and the valve stems, they're still gonna mark that as dirty, guys. So if you want to get the most you can get out of your aluminum, you got to take the valve stems off and the weights, right? Now, with that being said, what you're gonna need, your tire machine, right? So you're gonna have to buy you a tire machine so you can take the tires off. I know you guys are thinking you can just cut the wheels off. It don't work. You're gonna burn up a lot of blades, waste a lot of time, save your money. Try to find you a little cheap tire machine and keep it moving. Number two, you're gonna need you a good sawzall, nice blade, and you're gonna need you some vice grips, guys. So bring them in, cuz. So y'all guys, I'm gonna show you guys how to take off their weight. Now they do have tools to take these off, but you know we've been doing it. We masters at it, and we use the vice grips, man, and it's just way easy to do it. Crack it. You know, that's all it does. Boom. That quick, 2 seconds. Got that one off. You want to look on both sides. You got another one. And usually some of these wheels you'll get it where the weights have already fallen off, and then some of them they'll be all the way around the wheel, guys. So like I said, take it, crack it, 2 seconds. Now you got two different type of weights. You got the weights you just see me take off, and you also had a weights that be in here inside the wheel. So you're definitely gonna want to look for that. This one doesn't have it. Then what you're gonna do, turn it around, bring them in, cuz. Show them. I'm finna cut the valve stem here. That's done. Then I can take my vice grips, pull it out, boom, done. So that's how you clean some aluminum wheels, guys. Back to the episode. Peace. Yes, sir, guys. So we got them all clean. All the valve stems out, all the weights off of them. This is about, I want to say about, you said what? About 100, yeah, 150, 200 wheels. And for us to clean them, it took us about an hour, right? Ran through all of them about an hour. So now what we're about to do is we have to hook to our trash trailer, aka dump trailer, and load all the batteries in and all the wheels. And like I said, guys, once I get it loaded, I'll punch y'all back in. Yes, sir. So we got her ready, man. We got her ready, man. And this is why I tell you guys, with this business, there's more to it than meets the eye. On the real, man, you see all these batteries we about to get rid of. You can literally start a whole business with batteries. Battery man. Y'all see it up there, all them aluminum wheels. Yes, sir. Yeah, guys, so y'all see it, man, top of the morning, man. Got it done, got everything loaded. And this is why I tell you guys, man, there come a time where you start to get so busy, you got to start breaking down your days and your times, because you still got to make time to break down the wheels, clean the wheels. You still got to make time to load up the batteries and just haul everything in. When stuff is moving so fast, man, you will look up and you will have 5, you know, if everything go good for you in this business, you will look up and you will have 500, 600 batteries and tires laying. And hey, when you get that many, that's some hell of a work. So we try to always keep ours down to a certain level so we can get this shit in and get it out. So listen, guys, we're gonna grab us some lunch and we'll see y'all at the scrapyard. Peace. Hey guys, so we in here now, man, about to grab us some lunch, man. And so like I said, man, the place is located in Louisville, Kentucky. Mustard, pickles, and barbecue. It's Mama's Mustard, Pickles, and Barbecue, man. You see the address, 119 South Hirschborn Parkway, man. Give them a call, man. If you ever close to here, you ever in Louisville, and you want some great barbecue, I'm telling you guys, this is it. Next video is gonna show you what we got. Peace. So guys, the food just came out. So you see I got the beef ribs, the mac and cheese, the green beans, the cornbread, and you see Cuz got the
and just the regular
loaded nachos, man.
Appreciate you.
Y'all see it, so we finna dig in, baby. Catch y'all on the next one. Peace. Hey y'all, I'm sorry. I got double back. Look at the meat on that, boy. Look at the meat on them ribs. Look at all that meat. Look at all that meat, man. So the place we at has won awards, man. And everything for their barbecue, man. Top notch, man. Had a double back, man. Let's get it. Check this out. They out here getting money, man. They out here getting money. Check this out. He pulled that in. All you guys keep asking me, can you do it with this truck? Can you do it with that truck? Hey, baby. Work with what you got. Back to the episode. Peace.
Every one of you motherfuckers.
Nah, for real. Hey, y'all, look. So real quick, man. Just show y'all what we made off that load, man. I didn't get no footage of us taking it off. Just too busy, man. But look. So off the aluminum wheels, we're getting 84 cents per pound, and y'all see it brought back 2,000. And off the batteries, you see, we're getting 17 cents per pound, and they brought back 486. So just that small load, right there, guys. Just a quick 2,500, man. Quick 2,500, man. So like I said, we ain't gonna stop. We're gonna keep grinding, keep getting it. We're gonna take this trail off, and then we gotta go pick up some more cars. And we'll see y'all when we get there and put y'all in on that one. Let's get it, baby. Peace. Yo.